gonna learn about limiting reactants.
The limiting reactant is the reactant that is completely used up in a chemical reaction. It limits the amount of other reactants that can combine and the amount of products that can form in a reaction.
Make sure you know the difference between excess reactant and limiting reactant. Remember, the limiting reactant is the first reactant used up. A good way to remember this is to ask yourself, what reactant will I run out of first?
Now that we understand what a limiting reactant is, let's determine the limiting reactant when ammonia is mixed with oxygen.
We are given a 2-gram sample of ammonia, which is mixed with 4 grams of oxygen. We need to determine the limiting reactant.
First, we need to determine the balanced equation. Next, we can use stoichiometry to calculate how much product is produced by each reactant.
In order to begin our calculation, we need to know the molar mass of ammonia, oxygen, and nitrogen monoxide. Oxygen's molar mass is 32 grams. Ammonia's molar mass is 17 grams. And nitrogen monoxide is 30 grams.
And here are our results from our calculations.
The reactant that produces the less amount of product in this case is oxygen. Therefore, that is our limiting reactant.
Always remember these 3 simple things about limiting reactants. The reaction will stop when the reactants are used up. If one reactant is used up before the other, the reaction will stop. The first reactant used up is a limiting reactant. Use it for the calculation. The other reactant is an excess reactant.
Now, you are a genius at limiting reactants. Hope you enjoyed our video.